we have discussed chapter 2, that is shapes and angles, and we have studied shapes. So today we'll study about angles, types of angles. Types of angles. First, right angle. Right angle. A right angle is an angle of exactly 90 degree. Okay. Right angle. A right angle is an angle of exactly 90 degree. Okay, which measure is 90 degree. Let me draw an angle and show you. This is an instrument to draw an angle or to measure an angle. Okay. The name of this instrument is protractor, which you have in your geometry. 90 degree. Just count from this side: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. These all are degrees. Okay. So we have to draw 90 degree. Just make a point exactly on 90 degree and center one more point, and this side one more point. Now just join these dots. Okay. This is an angle of 90 degree, which we call right angle. Let us move to second angle. Acute angle. An acute angle is an angle that measure less than 90 degree. Okay. An angle which is measured less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Okay. So let me draw. It may be less than 90 degree means 80, 75, 60, 68, or 65, 30. These all are acute angle. Any angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Let me draw an acute angle measure 70 degree. Now I will make a dot exactly on 70 and one dot in center and one more dot here. Now join these dots. Join these dots. Okay. This is an angle of 70 degree, which is called acute angle. Not only 70 degree, okay? Don't be confused. Any angle which is less than 90 degree we'll call an acute angle. Okay, let us move to third angle. Let us move to third angle, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. An angle, an angle measure an angle measure greater than 90 degree greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. See children, an angle measure greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Okay, the angle, it will be the greater than 90 degree but it will be less than 180 degree. Okay, greater than 90 degree means it may be 95, 100, 115, 110. This all the angles will be obtuse angle. Okay, let me draw an obtuse angle. Measure 110 degree. Okay, 110. Look, 110 is here. Just make a dot here. In center, one more dot here, and just in this corner, one dot. Now join these dots. Okay, this is an angle of 110 degree, which we can say that this is an obtuse angle. Okay, any angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, what is 180 degree? You will know in fourth angle. Okay. Our fourth angle is straight angle. Fourth angle is straight angle. Okay. Straight angle. A straight angle is an angle equal to 180 degree. Okay, any angle which is equal to 180 degree is called a straight angle. Just see your protector. Look, center one is 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 180 degrees here. Okay, suppose I will draw a 180 degree. Okay, 180 degrees here, and center is here, and one more dot here. Now just join this dot with the help of your scale. Okay, so this one is straight. Now one straight line is there, which is measure 180 degree. Okay, so this is straight angle. Okay children, in this chapter we have learned about shapes in previous class. Today we have studied about angle.